Hello, this is Nina Koo, and on this week's A Sensitive Voice, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about striving for more, and as somebody I spoke to recently put it, over-striving. So I think this is a very interesting concept because obviously we live in the modern world where we're almost programmed to want more and to do more and to be more, and we have this whole culture of more, it seems, at the moment. And I think for highly sensitive people we have this as well, this need to do more research, to learn more, to just read another book. And I think especially if we're highly sensitive entrepreneurs and we're trying to serve people or trying to create products, we can easily fall into this thing of, okay, if I just do one more course, if I just read one more book, then what I'm going to put out is going to be so much better. And so there's a couple of pitfalls there. So it's the pitfall of, are we hiding by doing another course? Or are we actually ready to create what it is we need to create right now? And also it's like, or am I trying to do another course and trying to read another book because I want everything to be perfect, and then we fall into the shadow of perfectionism there, where everything needs to be perfect before we can actually let it be visible in the world. So I think the whole over-striving thing is very key for highly sensitive people. And then if you throw in there our natural tendency to see small things that others miss, and so we will see all the imperfections in whatever it is we're trying to create, or see the gaps and we think, okay, well, if I just do one more thing, it's going to fill that gap. Then very soon we find that we've spent all of our time researching and doing more courses and reading more books and just, talking to one more person, that actually we haven't ended up ever creating and putting out what we need to create. So just a word of caution then, as a highly sensitive person, if you are an entrepreneur and you're trying to create something and you're just going to do one more thing before you actually produce it, just stop and think to yourself, am I doing this because there's a genuine need for me to do more research and to fill in a knowledge gap? Or am I doing it more because I don't think I'm currently good enough and I'm not willing to provide and create something yet? Is it because you're hiding because you want things to be perfect, or is it because there's a genuine need to improve before you put something out there? So this was Nina Koo on this week's The Sensitive Voice, helping the world see sensitive in a positive light. I'll see you in the next video.